Smile.
Yeah.
Can you say Kim?
Kim.
Can you say Meg?
Meg.
Can you say Mommy?
Mommy.
Happy?
Happy.
Puppy?
Happy.
Happy puppy?
The cow.
Yeah?
That one.
Can you say Dad?
That.
Can you say... Why are you giving Dad such a dirty look? Can you say Cookie?
Cookie.
Can you say Juice?
Cheers.
How about Cheese?
Cheers.
Can you say Cat? Can you say Kitty? What's up? Say, I love you.
Bye.
Bye. Y'all done talking?
Bye.
Yeah? Can you say Ray? Ray.
Red.
Good job. Kim?
Kim.
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 Not Tim. Kim.
Kim.
Kim, yep. And what else can you say?
Say.
Give me another name of a guy who's fucked a lot of girls.
Beatty?
No. A celebrity guy that's fucked a lot of girls.
Kim.
'Cause
Gene Simmons?
now I have seen some Lois and Allison's Belly reality shows.
Okay, say
like
bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Kim.
See ya.